With all the hype products on the market these days, it's really easy to forget about the tried and true classics. Stick around for today's video. We're going to talk about CARPRO Reset. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ryan. This is Fine Detailing. Thank you so much for joining. If this is your first time, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, maybe hit a hype button. I don't know what that does, but let's see how it goes. So if this is your first time here, we review car detailing products. We do kind of car detailing how-tos. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about an oldie but a goodie. This is CARPRO Reset. This is a pH neutral shampoo. You know, I was just thinking the other day, I was just kind of like looking through my YouTube library and seeing kind of all the new product reviews I've done and everything like that. And I thought, I'm like, damn, there's a lot of products that have come to the market in the past couple years. Everyone and their mother has launched a new soap. And honestly, they're all pretty good, right? Like, it's really hard to put out bad soap these days. They have some quirks here and there, but I kind of just thought about like the oldies but goodies, right? Like the best of list. And so I ordered some more CARPRO Reset because obviously my cabinet's full of other new products that I've been trying. And I've just been using it for a few washes on my own before making a video. And I was like, damn, I forgot how good this soap is. So I just wanted to shed some light on it. I'm sure there's been reviews on this in the past, and I'm not going to bore you with too much technical info. We'll kind of cut into the video here momentarily. But CARPRO Reset, it's called an intensive car shampoo with natural active ingredients. I thought that was really interesting. On CARPRO's website, or on Sky's the Limit's website, they do talk about how it's a safer wash. At the same time, CARPRO Reset is almost entirely based upon naturally occurring organic ingredients, making it safe for the environment and for the user as it is for the vehicle. So using CARPRO intensive shampoo, you can worry less about harming the earth and your health while focusing more on keeping the vehicle, looking neat and tidy. So whatever, if you're not a tree hugger and you're not a granola person, you don't care about that, and you're like, give me the caustic shit, this probably isn't for you. But I just think it's nice where there's like an added bonus of like, hey, it's like maybe a little bit better for the environment. What's interesting is they say they use like intelligent surfactants, and I'll put that on the screen for you. That has those like dual layer surfactants where you rinse off the initial foam layer, and then you're left with kind of that secondary cleaning layer. They advertise this to say is like it will clean like an alkaline soap, but is pH balanced. What is really interesting is the actual SDS sheet says it's a pH of 10. Here you go, right? Here it is. I'm not lying. Diluted, I tested it. My water's already kind of in the 9s, so it's not really super reasonable. But yeah, it got down to around, pH neutral or pH balanced, I guess you would call it. So that is interesting. Just one thing to call out there. But what I love about CARPRO Reset, first of all, the scent is great. It's just really fresh. The best thing I can match this to is like a very fresh laundry detergent. Not like Tide or anything. It's just very specific, very clean and fresh. And what's cool about this, guys, is that this is it's a strong enough cleaner to where if your car is protected in any way, right? Like if you have a ceramic coating or a ceramic spray sealant or even a wax, you can use just this product to clean your car. And I know we've been conditioned to do, foam, rinse, foam, and that's totally fine, and I actually do that in this video. But you don't have to use this high alkaline soap every time you pre-rinse, right? Like you absolutely do not have to do that. Now, if you're deep in winter and you got a lot of mud and gunk, sure, you want something a little more kick. But for your weekly or bi-weekly maintenance on your daily driven car that's protected, you could, in theory, just carry this soap. So what I've done here today is I filled a full foam cannon, 1,000 milliliters up, 1 to 9, which is what they recommend using CARPRO Reset in the foam cannon at. And I sprayed the first round with the car, about half of the foam cannon, let that dwell, rinsed it off for my foam, rinse, foam, refoamed it, and then went into my contact wash. What I love about CARPRO Reset on it's hard on this car. It's like pretty dialed in, and like it's hard for any soaps to really cling for super long, but normally this has a really good cling time, which is nice. Obviously any soap you kind of want to avoid working with in the sun. This has a great cleaning time. It has great lubrication. And then in the bucket, it actually only calls for a 1 to 500 dilution, which is super, super economical. So you're not using that much per wash. They sell it in a 16 ounce, I think a 32 ounce, and then the 5 liter. And yeah, it's just really good. And so the other thing is, like, when I'm going around doing the contact wash, you want really good lubrication, which this soap provides. The other thing is, like, at the end, like, like, again, I know I've described this with certain other soaps. Like, I think I talked about this with, ironically enough, Yum Reset, right? Which is their acidic wash. It left the surface just feeling like squeaky clean. And so I don't get that with some other soaps, right? I don't want to say it maybe leaves a residue behind other soaps, but like, this truly kind of deep cleans the paint. And what's cool about this is you can use this as every wash, right? I know it's called CARPRO Reset, restores hydrophobics. It's pH balanced, right? It's pH neutral soap, right? Depending on your water condition. So you can use this every single wash. So I just wanted to kind of remind you all, or introduce some of you to CARPRO Reset if you've never experienced it. Give it a look again. If you haven't tried it in a while, pick some up and use it. It's really freaking good. I'm a big fan. I'm gonna order a 5 liter. I'm just gonna use this for like a while, just to kind of reintroduce myself to it. Some of my old favorites are like, Koshemi GSF and things like that, but this is actually slept on, and I'm probably gonna use this for a lot of my maintenance washes coming up. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. All the links for everything in this video will be down below. It's helpful if you click on my link and you purchase. Depending on where I link, FD10 will save you 10% off. So hopefully that helps you there too. But again, specifically if you click on the link, helps me tremendously, and you'll be able to order this at a discount. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Drop it in the comments below. Let me know if you have used CARPRO Reset, what you think of it, how do you feel about the price point of it. It's just, I strongly endorse it. This is such a good product, so highly recommend it. But that's it for today's video. If you stuck around this far and you haven't liked the video, reminder, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the hype button, click the links in the video below. That's it, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye all.